Okay, we are going to extract the closed path. We're going to extract the closed path of the nu squared which have a negative improvement index. Okay, we are going to select that one. So in this particular problem, we're going to select and use the closed path of a nu squared fa. Sir, question. What if daghan ang negative nga improvement index? So if in such case, you're going to select the nu squared with the pinaka-negative, no? The lowest negative number. So for example, na negative 1 o na negative 5, so you're going to select the closed path sa negative 5. Okay, so here in this particular example, we're going to have the manipulation for the closed path of a nu squared fa, di ba? So this is its atong gi-extract para dili ta malibog. So mo na lang ni siya. So what should be done, no, in the manipulation? So di ba naka-assign ang positive sign o negative sign? Ang atong tan-awon is we are going to look into the negative the cells with negative signs. Look into the cells with negative sign and then choose between the two negative signs, choose the lowest units. Okay? Or the lowest number. The lowest number. So in this case, we have for the negative sign, we have 200 and 100. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the 100, this one, since siya man ang lowest compared to the 200. What we are going to do then is we have to add minus this amount. Okay? The 100. So sa plus sign nga mga cell, imong i-add, pero sa mga negative sign nga mga cell, imong i-minus. Okay. So may tabo. So dire 0 man ni, no, ang FA kay wala man tig-assign, so 0 plus 100, so we have 100. Here 100 kay negative sign man siya, so atong minusan 100 minus 100, that will become 0. Then here sa EB 100 plus 100, this will become 200, and 200 minus 100, that will become 100. Okay, since nanatay na-come up nga amount kana sila, after doing the adding and the subtraction, so we are going to replace those values sa tuang original or the initial solution table. Sir, how about katong other cells? Dili na to hilabtan. Ang ato lang hilabtan is the closed path, no? Kinira. The others are not affected. So dili maapektuhan ang number of demand o ang number of supply. So ang ato lang manipulate is the closed path. So ayon na inyong problema ha. So may tabo now, ang bagong sulod sa EA is 100, ang bagong sulod sa FA is 100, ang bagong sulod sa EB is 200, and ang bagong sulod sa FB is 0. Okay. So this is now, then ato siyang ibalik dito sa tuang table. And now we have our second solution. So ato na tong gi-apply ang changes na atong gi-himo. So if you can notice, na-satisfy gyapon ang demand using the given capacity. Okay. Diba in your notes, no? In your notes na solve naman dito ang initial cost, no, or the cost of the initial solution. So ang next na tong buhaton, since na naman tay second solution, we are going to calculate for pila ang iyahang cost. Okay, pila iyang cost. So, sir, unsa na to pag-determine ang cost? Okay, for example, for DA, diba, nagbutang ko 100 units, tapos yung cost per unit is 5. So, 100 times 5 plus, for EA, 100 units times 8 plus, EB, 200 units times 4 plus, FA, 100 times 9 plus, FC, which is 200 times 5. That is now your total cost. So you have to prepare this table, the cost for the second solution. So here, after doing our mathematics, no, as I stipulated earlier, DA 100 imong gibutang and then 5 yung cost per units, then do it on the other cells. And here we have the cost for the second solution, or the improved solution, is 4,000. This is in terms of dollars. So if I'm not mistaken, in the initial solution, the initial cost there is 4,200, if I'm not wrong. So we can see that for the second solution, there is already an improvement. There's already improvement in the cost, meaning we already lower down somehow the cost for transportation. Okay, so we now have the second solution. So sir, optimal na ba ni? Muna ba ni ang final, the second solution? Dili pa na nato matubag. Matubag lang na nato once ato na pong ma-evaluate tanang unused square. So sir, balik na po ato nga procedure? Yes. So as I've said earlier in the previous slide, that this is an iterative process, meaning we need to keep on coming back. Sana all magbalik-balik. Okay, dili ra bata nang biya mo balik, di ba? So kini magbalik-balik ta hangtod makita na nato ang perfect one. Oh, di ba? So sana all nakita na nila ilang perfect one. So the perfect one, or the optimal solution. So we can only know that one, or we can determine that one, once we were able to evaluate the unused squares. Thus, we are going to we're going to evaluate the unused square in the second solution. So now, this is our second solution, diba? This is our second solution. So we are going to evaluate the unused squares. So again, depende asa mo magsugod, walay problema. So in this case, we're going to begin with unused square dB. So let's trace a closed path. So dB, pwede rin siya dito square, dB to dA, dA to EA. Balag mahiwi-hiwi lang na klasa pa sa ilo, hindi mo sa kung sinulatan kay muna nagdid ako na. So batik gid kog agi. So no further argument, dawat ko na. Then EA to EB and EB to DB. So we have here the closed path. Then assign plus minus sign, beginning with the unused squared with plus. So we have here plus, minus, plus, and minus. So let's prepare the improvement index for unused squared dB. So we have here dB minus dA plus EA minus EB. So muna na siya. Then you have to substitute that with its corresponding cost. So we have 4 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. So we have positive 3. Okay, next, let's try to evaluate unused squared DC. Okay, for DC, let's trace a closed path. So DC, we have here DC to DA. Depende sa inyo ha, pwede mo sugod pakilid or pwede mo paubos. Kung sa'y bet ninyo, depende ninyo asa mo malipay. Okay, so dire pakilid sa ta. In this case, pakilid. Kung munaog ko paubos, kung mo stop ko diri sa middle, dili ko katabo kay si easy walay sulod. So munaog ko to FA. Okay. From FA, mulahos ko kang FC. Di man ko makahapit din di ba? So, wa mo siya sulod. So, from FA to FC. So, here. Then, FC to DC. Pasaka. So, ayan, I now have my closed path. Then, afterwards, the next step is assign plus minus. So, starting with a new squared. So, we have plus. We have minus. Plus. And minus. So, prepare the improvement index for DC. So, we have here DC minus DA plus FA minus FC. Then, substitute with its corresponding cost. We have 3 minus 5 plus 9 minus 5. So, we have positive 2. Okay. Next, an U squared EC. Kinina po na itong next na evaluate. For EC, no, trace a closed path. So, ako mas ganahan ko pakilid una ay paubos. So, mo lang sa tayo follow. Pero kung gusto mo sa ubos una, ay mo pakilid. So, may problema. So, FC to F, sorry. Nawala gining pakilid o paubos. Okay, again, we're evaluating a new squared EC. So, EC to EA. Di man ko pwede makahapit kang EBQ sa ubos mo, may sulod. Diba? Di ko okay ambakan. So, EC to EA, ambak ko ka FA. Pakilid ko kang FC. Then, saka ko kang EC. So, again, di mo pwede mo ambak sa walay sulod. Okay. So, now, I have my closed path. Then, assign plus minus sign. So, plus minus plus minus. So, prepare the improvement index for EC. So, EC minus EA plus FA minus FC. Then, substitute with its corresponding cost. We have 3 minus 8. Minus siya, kaya minus sign man siya. Plus 9 minus 5. And OMG. Sakto ba ni? Negative 1 siya. Let's try to calculate. Again, so we have 3 minus 8 plus 9 minus 5. So to say it's negative 1. Meaning it's the second solution is not yet the optimal solution. Kaya natay negative. But then, napapunta wala na evaluate si FB. Ito gawin evaluate si FB. Okay. Evaluate a new squared FB. So, let's trace a closed path here. Pwede na siya square diretso. So, gusto na ko pataas na po. Pataas. Closed path, pakilid. Paubos na po. And, pakilid. So, next, assign plus minus sign. So, we have here plus, minus, plus, minus. So, prepare the improvement index for FB. So, we have FB minus EB plus EA minus FA. And substitute with its corresponding cost. We have 7 minus 4 plus 8 minus 9. And it is positive 2. So, in this case, we're done evaluating the new squared for the second solution, and so to say EC, the closed path for EC as a negative improvement index. So ato ang next na po natong buhatan is we're going to extract the closed path ni EC, no? Asa man to? Closed path ni EC kana siya, EC, EA, FA, FC, and let's do the necessary manipulation using the stepping stone method. Okay. Mo ni siya originally ang sulod, di ba? Sa closed path ni EC. So, same procedure. Naman siya plus minus sign daan. Then, let's go over with the cells with negative signs. And then, select the lowest number. And then, in this case, the lowest number is 100 under EA. And then, what you're going to do, for cells with plus signs, imo siyang i-add. And for cells with negative signs, imo siyang i-minus. So, what will happen here? So, 100 minus 100, this will become 0. 100 plus 100, this will become 200. So, since this is empty, so this is 0 before, plus 100. So, this will become 100. And 200 minus 100, this is 100. So now we now have this one, no? Our improved solution. So kini na po din sila is atong i-add or atong itapak dito sa ato ang second solution. Bali, we can come up now with our third solution, and that is an improved solution. So ato nang siyang idugang sa table nato, atong i-replace ana nga path.